So let's go through and set up our wand mode, and the first thing we're going to do is just connect the wand to the motor head with the magnetic catch. Now we're going to check the direction of the motor, and you can see me pushing the down button and the blind's moving down. If it's going the wrong way, then we need to push the up and down button together, but in this instance you can see it is going down. So I'm going to set my top limit first, so I'm going to push the up button, I'm going to stop it where I'm happy. To confirm the limit, I'm going to push the stop button and the up button together, and the blind will jog. Now let's go ahead and push the down button, and we're just going to wait for that to get down to the bottom. So now I've stopped it in the right place. I can make some micro adjustments just by hitting the up and down button, but when I'm happy with the bottom limit, I'm going to hit the stop and the down button until the motor jogs. And now my limits are set and we're ready to go.